Ever found yourself staring at a shelf overflowing with products, wondering just how many you actually have on hand? Or maybe you've experienced that dreaded moment of realizing you're completely out of a bestseller, leaving customers disappointed? If either of those scenarios rings a bell, you're likely in the world of small business, where keeping tabs on your inventory can feel like a juggling act. Now, if you're already using QuickBooks to manage your finances, tracking income, expenses, and all that jazz, you might be wondering if this powerful tool can also lend a hand with your inventory. It's a natural question, right? Having one central hub for your business operations would be a game changer. Well, let's dive into that very question. Can QuickBooks actually handle inventory tracking? The short answer is, it depends. And like most things in the business world, the "it depends" part is where the details get interesting. QuickBooks offers different versions, each with varying capabilities. The most basic version, QuickBooks Simple Start, doesn't include inventory tracking features. It's designed for very small businesses with straightforward needs, primarily focusing on basic accounting tasks. So, if you're on Simple Start, the answer is a clear no. However, step up to QuickBooks Online Plus or QuickBooks Desktop Premier, and you'll find robust inventory management tools built right in. These versions are designed for businesses that need more sophisticated features to manage their products effectively. So, what can these more advanced versions of QuickBooks actually do when it comes to inventory? Let's explore some of the key features. First off, you can create detailed records for each of your inventory items. This includes not just the name and description, but also crucial information like the cost of goods sold COGS, sales price, and preferred vendor. This allows you to have a centralized database of all your products. One of the most helpful features is the ability to track the quantity on hand. QuickBooks allows you to input the initial stock levels and then automatically updates these numbers as you buy and sell items. This real-time tracking gives you a clear picture of your current inventory levels at any given moment, helping you avoid stockouts and overstocking. Speaking of stockouts, QuickBooks can also help you set reorder points for your items. This means you can specify a minimum quantity for each product, and QuickBooks will alert you when your stock falls below this level. This proactive approach ensures you have enough lead time to replenish your inventory before you run out. When you purchase inventory from your suppliers, QuickBooks allows you to record these purchases, updating your inventory quantities and tracking your costs. Similarly, when you sell products to customers through invoices or sales receipts, QuickBooks automatically decreases your inventory levels and records the sale. This seamless integration between sales and inventory management saves you time and reduces the risk of errors. For businesses that deal with physical products, knowing the value of your inventory is crucial for accounting and tax purposes. QuickBooks can calculate the total value of your inventory based on the cost of goods sold for each item. This information is essential for creating accurate financial reports. Furthermore, QuickBooks offers various inventory reports that provide valuable insights into your stock levels, sales trends, and the cost of goods sold. These reports can help you make informed decisions about purchasing, pricing, and overall inventory management. You can see which items are selling well, which ones are slow-moving, and identify potential areas for improvement in your inventory strategy. Now, while QuickBooks Online Plus and Desktop Premier offer significant inventory management capabilities, it's important to understand their limitations. For businesses with very complex inventory needs, perhaps those with intricate manufacturing processes, multiple warehouses, or highly specific tracking requirements like serial numbers or batch numbers, QuickBooks might not be a perfect fit on its own. In such cases, businesses often turn to specialized inventory management software that can integrate with QuickBooks. These dedicated systems offer more advanced features tailored to complex inventory scenarios. They can handle things like warehouse management, barcode scanning, advanced reporting, and integration with e-commerce platforms in a more comprehensive way. Think of QuickBooks inventory features in the Plus and Premier versions as a very capable and user-friendly solution for many small to medium-sized businesses. It provides a significant step up from manual tracking using spreadsheets and offers a good balance of features and ease of use. However, for highly specialized needs, exploring integrated third-party solutions might be necessary. So, to circle back to our initial question, can QuickBooks do inventory tracking? Yes, the more advanced versions like QuickBooks Online Plus and QuickBooks Desktop Premier definitely offer robust inventory tracking features. They allow you to track quantities, manage costs, set reorder points, and generate insightful reports, all within the familiar QuickBooks environment. If you're a small business owner already using QuickBooks for your accounting and you're looking for a more efficient way to manage your inventory, upgrading to a version that includes inventory tracking could be a smart move. It can streamline your operations, reduce errors, and give you better visibility into your product stock. However, if your business has very complex inventory requirements, remember that QuickBooks might be part of a larger solution that includes specialized inventory management software. Understanding your specific needs is key to choosing the right tools for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.